Webit Congress 2011, the place where the digital industry meets.
We are talking to Plamen Russev, organizer of Webit. What are the goals of organizing such events like Webit?
We have one goal, but we don't call it a goal, we call it a mission. And the mission is to develop the digital industry in Central Eastern Europe. And from next year, and actually from this year, we also cover the Middle East and North Africa markets. We have amazing quality of visitors here. So basically Webit covers markets of more than 1 billion people and markets which need to be developed. They need to be educated. They need to have a place like Webit where they network, they find business opportunities, they open new businesses around the whole region. Central Eastern Europe before Webit was 22 countries, 19 languages and 3 religions. Now we have all of them here at Webit, learning from the top experts worldwide and sharing their knowledge between each other. So that's what I said at the opening. There are no competitors at Webit. There are companies who work together for the development of the digital industry because that's how they develop their businesses themselves. We have to catch up with the rest of Europe because in Central Eastern Europe, businesses spend no more than 10% of the total ad spend for digital. And digital means advantage. So the more the markets, the more the businesses know about digital, are educated how to use digital for effectiveness. And digital is the only effective, transparent, measurable media, and it's not a media, it's the environment. So the more they're aware of this, the more they start using it, the better for the whole region because we'll have business advantage. We want to open the opportunities for all regional players to start, if they have a business in Poland, to open their businesses for Czech Republic, for Hungary, for Bulgaria, for Turkey, for Ukraine, for Belarus, for Lithuania. They're all here. Webit shows the trends of the whole digital industry. So here we have 45 countries visiting to share their knowledge for the whole digital ecosystem.
When it comes to the Bulgarian market, IT market, how does it look like?
It looks poor. It looks like it has a big potential, a lot of challenges to catch up with. It's a very small market, 15 million turnover euro are expected from the Academy, the company I chair, for this year, for 2011. Nothing compared to the 300 million in Poland. And a lot to catch up because in Bulgaria the advertisers spend approximately 5% to 6% from the digital from the total ad spend for digital. Good point is that Webit is the only event supported by the whole digital industry worldwide. Last year we had 21 countries visiting. This year we have 45 countries visiting. So this is the first difference. Second difference, last year Webit was 3 times smaller in terms of content. Now if you come at Webit, you can go at the developers workshops, and you can go to the Gamesville and you can one-day conference for the gaming industry. You can go to the creative launch where the icons of the contemporary advertising share the best ever created digital media and creativity. You go to a startup village and then you hear the startup of the year named by the Davos International Forum as digital pioneer for 2011, Ilya from Getja. Times Magazine called Getja the startup of 2011 that will change the lives of the people. So we have amazing lineup of speakers, investor companies, venture capitals who speak there about how a local company can grow into amazing big digital business. Of course, you have the main stage with 1,200 people there listening to the speakers. So that's how. It's amazing.
Why Polish companies should come to Webit next year?
Because in Poland, the industry is kind of a peak industry now. You've reached a very mature state of development. And because now there are amazing Polish companies who need, in order to grow, they need to expand to new markets. And this is the only international event that they can really expand to markets that are really target markets. It's difficult to expand in Germany, but it's easier to expand in Turkey. It's easier to expand in Czech Republic, in Hungary, in Ukraine. That's why all the people who come here come, because of these opportunities. That's why the exhibitors are here, because they make business. And not to forget, because of the amazing parties which are going to happen and are to come. So that's it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.